G. Narayana, fondly known as Guruji, is a fascinating human being. He has been an entrepreneur, industrialist, and a hugely successful business person. He has been on the boards of many large companies in India and continues to mentor business leaders, young entrepreneurs, and pretty much anyone who wishes to learn. Guruji also has a deep understanding of Hinduism, Islam, Buddhism, Tao, and other religions, in which he found some universal themes and realizations. He spreads these learnings now through his talks, mentoring initiatives, and through the more than 600 books that he has authored. I got an opportunity to sit down with him to have a free flowing chat about his early life, how he started on this journey of spirituality, and some practical lessons on life and leadership that he's learned. I hope you'll find some of these discussions interesting and useful. My name is KD, and this is Lessons from a Guru. Thank you for doing this interview with us. I'm sure that some of the things that you'll share over the course of the next 20-25 minutes will probably help a lot of our participants from the LLC program. Um so I want to start off by asking Guruji that I read that at a very young age you had to pause your education somewhere, and although you were very good at it, so that you could support your family. But later on, you went on to become a successful industrialist, sat on the boards of many companies. I believe you've written 600 plus books. So, how do you think your childhood experiences prepared you for your future role? And did any of these experiences kind of initiate you on the journey of, exploring spirituality and learnings from different religions?
First of all, the childhood has to do a lot of with learning, self-learning, learning from teachers, learning from by self-learning. Swadhyaya, Sahadhyaya, Upadhyaya, all combination. Upadhyaya from teacher, Sahadhyaya from colleagues, Swadhyaya, self-learning. I was very weak in maths up to 4th, 5th standard. It was a terror kind. I used to do a lot of mistakes. In 5th standard, I had a very good teacher, maths teacher, Lakshmikantam. He liked me, but he did not like my maths. So one day he asked a question to everybody solve. I did it, but quickly, first to answer, but mistake. He slapped me like this. Thak, bolke. Told, kya why you are not doing amal? Amal means exercise, process. You are not telling the process, that's why you are having. Bolke, he slapped, and everybody laughed. Then I felt very charged that I was insulted and I must correct it. Then I went home. I decided on that moment that now onwards I will get 100 marks in maths. From fail to 100, I wanted. That was an aspiration. Then I asked my mother, asked my father, how to get 100 marks. Anna, how to get 100 marks in maths all the life? He said, if Saraswati Krupa is there, you will get. Then I went to my mother, how to get Saraswati Krupa? Where is Saraswati? She told, on Godavari, there is a temple of Saraswati. And I will give you one mantra, one prayer of Saraswati. So, Talli Ninnu Dalanchi, mother, remembering you, I started my education. Always be in my heart, my tongue, and my hand. And take care of me. Bolke, I prayed. Then I went to the temple. I took my math books. I was in 5th standard. So I took 4th standard, 5th standard, and 6th standard math books. And I put my head there. I told I must get. And coming 3 months, during Sundays, Saturdays, evenings, morning, I used to go there. It is nearly 1 kilometer. I used to go there while going, do the maths in mind. And I solved in 3 months the 4th, 5th, and 6th standard maths. From then onwards, I used to be the first person to get the solution and correct one. And this education continued. Maths was a difficult subject, no? So my colleagues are also poor in maths. So I started teaching them. The combined study became a teaching process. And in 10th standard, our maths teacher, the optional maths teacher, was transferred. No maths teacher. This is a very difficult board exam. 10th is a board exam. Then headmaster was wondering how to do. Nobody comes to our native place because it is a corner, away from the towns and city on the riverside. So he came and asked, will you teach maths? I said, yes. Then for my colleagues, in other subjects, I was a student. In maths, I used to become teacher with chaddies, with knickers. I used to go to the chair and teach them. 6 of us got 100 marks.
Wow.
And people used to call me, I am friend, no? Are Guru.
So you've been called Guru since 10th standard.
First, and then later confirmed it by Mr. Kantisen Shroff.
Okay.
He started calling Guruji. So whenever I used to do common study, baad mein, I did 8 qualifications in Bombay, Institute of Engineers, Institute of Electronic and Radio Engineers, IIT Bombay, then Jamalal Bajaj Institute of Management. Everywhere I used to do combined study. Common study means teaching and learning together. So this was a learning experience.
So is this entire journey where you failed in something and then you ended up becoming a teacher of that, and somewhere that entire experience with Saraswati and the would you say that is what started you off on this journey of linking practical life with concepts of spirituality and religion?
Yes, later, till 1982, that was the beginning that prepared me for learning, but not for the spirituality of life. It prepared me for management, let me say. All maths and everything. In those maths helped me in Jamalal Bajaj, in MBA and all that. But then I left Voltas. In Voltas, I was a chief engineer. Voltas was a fantastic organization. There also I used to teach subjects to my colleagues and learn. But they would not give me operations or marketing because I was very good as a chief engineer. We don't lose the chief engineer. Then I changed my job to Baroda. Agfa cameras factory, German factory, linkage.
Okay.
And there I was there and we did the best performance. When till that time only German general manager was there. They told Indians are not capable. Our people said, no, they are capable. You send such a person under condition that we can reject him. So I went and tried to Germany and helped them to solve their problems, their machines. So I became general manager of the camera factory. During that 1 year when I was there, we did the performance which is 60% more than highest they have done any time. That is because of the participation with my colleagues. Then there was a problem between father and son, then between us. So I had to leave that job because my friend was removed. Then I also resigned and started my own company of data preparation with girls, inexperienced girls who were doing SSC board, and converted that company to 100 people, fantastic organization. So
This was Excel. This was
they-
Excel Industries, if I'm not wrong.
no. This is Procon, my
Okay,
company,
Procon. Okay.
which failed. First
Acha.
it was all right, success. Then we purchased a big computer. We found another company. This Procon, the girls' company, is successful for 18 years. Then to earn money, this is to protect and help others. But to earn money, we started a company called Prism, which is a computer company. We took the 10 lakhs loan from my savings, and there it is for the money. Then the God wanted to teach a lesson. At the time, I was thinking I was a great man. मेरा जैसा कोई नहीं है. All problems I can solve, not only maths, in management also. Then till that time I did know Sanskrit. Then that company where we purchased the big computer, it was a hard disk computer. Then the PCs came, and my computer center became failure. I cannot pay salaries. Salaries are increasing. I cannot pay the payment. At that time I was in trouble. So मैं बोला ये सब management का क्या फायदा? What I have done, what is the use? Then what is the solution? 3 children, all small. Then I told suicide is the solution. Then I went to Godavari River to examine the survey, my native place, to do the suicide. It was a good condition. Then water was deep and I can go. Then
You actually went to
suddenly
survey
said,
the. You actually went to survey the location where you thought you would commit suicide.
suicide.
Wow.
It is written in my life story also. Then on the other side, there was old temples. I asked my cousin brother, can I get some murti, some statue as a memento? He said, wait, something is touching in the river. In the river, he put his hand and take out 2 shivlings and put in my hand. I told it is a good thing. Then the names of shivling is Kaleshwar, Mukteshwar. Kaleshwar means death. Mukteshwar means freedom. So God is telling marne ka nahi hai. Freedom from death hai, hidden hai. Then we went to my wife's place. My brother-in-law was studying a book, and that was Gita. Bhagavad Gita he was reading. I told him, yes, this is a book. He was reading the book. I told him, what you are reading? Bhagavad Gita. I never read Bhagavad Gita more than first 3 shlokas. हम बोले इसमें क्या लिखा है? काम करो बोलता है, मैं तो 18 years काम करता है. There is no work which is not completed. So गीता का जरूरत क्या है? And संस्कृत तो नहीं सीखा. But since he has opened the book, I opened. On the same day when I got shivling, same day I got the Gita. And I opened. Bhakti Yoga came. Fantastic. When I saw that shlokam, I got surprised and inspired. Ye tu sarvani karmani mai sanyasya matpara ananyena yogena mam jayanta upasate teshamaham samudharta mrityu samsara sagarat bhavamina achirat partha maya vechetasam. Whoever studies this, does his work, whoever does his work, keeping me in mind, offering it to me, Mam Jayanta, who dedicates everything to him, Tesha Mam Samudharta, I am usko uddhar karenga, अच्छी तरह उद्धार, समुद्धार, from the death, river of death. Mrityu samsara sagara. So from the ocean of death, I was in the river of death. Bhavamina Charva. I will soon enter him. I will occur to him. बोले गारंटी अच्छा देता है that उद्धार करेगा, अंदर आएगा, भगवान अंदर आएगा. That is the promise. Then I saw the who wrote the book, Vidya Prakashananda Giri Swami.
Right.
He is my guru. But I have not learned things from him directly. I tried to get him. I rang up. People told he is very old, he must have gone. One of my assistant, Ramaswamy, told he may not be there. So he is not there. So Guru is not there. What is to be done? If Jesus is not there, afterwards Bible is there.
Of course.
If Krishna is not there, Gita is there. If Muhammad is not there, Quran is there. If Swamiji is not there, Gita Makarandam is there. Then I said, I will study the Gita. Not, I will not simple read, I will do Gita Yoga. So
Beautiful.
I invented what is known as Gita Yoga. 18 days Gita, every day one slokam, one time food, no onion, no garlic, no drink. Anyway, drink to nahi leta. Drink, no onion, no garlic, no non-veg. And every day one adhyayam. After that only one time food. And it was a fantastic experience. First 2 days it was madness. कुछ समझ में नहीं आता. On third and fourth day समझ में आता है. Fifth day पूरा समझ में आता है. And fourth day enjoying. Sixth day I am looking forward. 10th day, 11th day darshan हुआ. Experience हुआ. 18th day I got confident. I went to the bank and said, I will pay every paisa of you. Give me time. I will pay the interest. And then I turned around my other company which started computer company. First I disposed of. I paid back to ORG. And the small company is still doing better at that time. Finally, that company I hand over to my working people only. Then Excel Transpect came. They were in trouble. And because of my experience, I started helping them. First time they made loss. They said that तुमको डर नहीं लगता? नहीं डर लगता, मैं तो डूब के आ गया already. Then we found first turnaround principle. First turnaround principle I learned is DOG to GOD. Dog to God. GOD, Group Organization Direction. DOG, Disorganized Group. Most of the people are DOG. 4 people are thinking in 5 directions. So make it GOD, Group Organization Direction, Sangh Vyavastha Uddesha. So Asatoma, Sadgamaya, Tamasoma, Jyotirgamaya, Muktyurma, Amritam Gamaya, DOG ma, GOD Gamaya. All 6-7 companies which you learn, turnaround is done by them, not by me, by the groups. I only was with them, inspired them, encouraged them, and when they become DO, GOD, any turnaround does not take more than 1 year. And from 8 crore loss, 2 crore loss, 3 crore loss, to now they are making 100 crore, 500 crore, 600 crore profits. There is, and once they learn that DOG to GOD, very good. Work together, learn together, cry together, fail together, laugh together, succeed together, learn together. Most important thing is learning. So the Guru Bodh, which I wrote, 3 volumes of Guru Bodh, is my own learning which I put there and which is the textbook for everybody. Then first book on Gita, Responsible Leader, has become. So it's a fantastic thing.
Superb,
So
superb. No, I was actually just kind of building on this, that the concept of GOD or DOG to GOD. Most of the companies actually, if you look at it, they are in the DOG category, but they believe themselves to be GOD. Right? What do we do in those kind of scenarios where the self-realization is not there that we are actually DOG?
so कितना भी टीचिंग करेगा तो समझ में नहीं आएगा. But क्या करने का? Actually, when they are in difficulty, that is the best time to learn. So we form the groups. There are 4 groups. In all these organizations, 4 groups. One is board, of course. Board also transform into a unified thing. Then there is a corporate group, general manager group, operation group, and working group. Shop floor, departmental, functional, corporate.
Right.
So each group, there are from that group only 8 to 9 people. So in the top group, we made a practice everywhere, meet once in a day for half an hour. And I started prayers. In Excel, we started prayers. Prayers के लिए सब लोग आता है. Only 10 minutes prayer. But prayer होने के बाद, and I used to be the first person to go to prayer. So when I am as the chairman, I am there, everybody is there. And after prayer, they discuss क्या करने का, क्या है. Informal preparation for the day automatic हो जाता है. And information sharing, कल क्या हुआ, क्या आज क्या प्रॉब्लम है, कल क्या करने का. First is prayer, then 10:30 meeting, once in a day. Afterwards, it can be once they become trained, once in a week we'll do. So क्या करने का? Major problems discuss and decide together. Not discuss. Decision with discussion without decision is a theory. So
Right.
I used to insist, come to conclusion. No, nothing is pending. I taught them one lesson. I follow that also. Pending is ending.
Pending is ending.
Nothing is to be penned. So checklist बनाने का है ना. Today's work, I asked them, prepare a checklist. And as you do the work, you tick mark. So मैं बोला जो रह गया क्या करेगा? Next day. No. Nothing should be remaining. No pending is ending. Time is a thief. This is another lesson. Time बहुत बड़ा चोर है.
Time is a thief. Okay.
It steals people. It steals opportunities. It steals governments. It steals countries. चुरा के लेके जाता है.
Absolutely.
So time is a thief. So be ahead of time. Be preactive, proactive, process active, post active. Preactive much before, proactive just before, process active improve while doing it, post active होने के बाद सोना नहीं है. Think what you missed, how to improve. These 4 words are very preactive, proactive, process active, post active.
And it kind of talks about continuous self-improvement also, continuous improvement in the process also. So it's not just doing it, but in the process you keep improving as well.
For that, attitudes are required.
Right.
There is a Kundalini. Kundalini, you know, Kundalini Shakti.
Right.
9 chakras. Instinct. Below instinct, intimacy, intensity, intuition, intellect, insight, inspiration.
Right.
These convert into 4. Instinct, intuition, intellect, inspiration. Brahma Gandhi, Vishnu Gandhi, Rudra Gandhi, Parabrahma Gandhi. action, feeling, thoughts, and spirit.
Beautiful.
Convert your actions into results. Convert your feeling into relation. Feeling है, I love you, I love you. अरे निकल जाओ बोला तो किधर है relation? So result, relation, reality, realization. 4. So SQ, IQ, EQ. Western people have learned only first IQ. Our Gita taught them EQ, then SQ, but one more thing everybody has forgotten, which is to be added. IQ is intelligence quotient, SQ is spiritual quotient, and EQ is emotional quotient. What about AQ, action quotient?
Very nice.
Result by actions. How many results you got? That is AQ. How many feelings you generated? Relations by feeling, EQ. Realities by thoughts, IQ. Realization by experiences, SQ. So, AQ, body level, EQ, heart and mind level, IQ, intellect level, SQ, spirit level. They are nothing but Karma Yoga, AQ. This is what Gita taught me. Everywhere I have put Gita.
It's
EQ is Bhakti
Bhakti
Yoga.
Yoga. Right.
IQ is Jnana Yoga. SQ is Jnana Yoga. ये बताएगा तो लोग सीखेगा. Result, relation, reality, realization. So I will send one PowerPoint for you. This.
Sure. This concept of AQ is so beautiful, action quotient, because a lot of people have a lot of thoughts, they have a lot of intent, they might have a lot of feelings also, but it never translates into action. So maybe their action quotient is lower than what needs to be.
Yes, action quotient is what is required, and SQ, EQ, IQ will help to improve that AQ. All the three are for AQ only, but that AQ, do it without selfish interest. Don't look for your promotion. Don't look for your credit. Then it becomes karma yoga. Any relations without selfish interest. Selfish interest I nikal do. So I to we. I to we is DOG to GOD.
You've talked about this earlier also, about unexpected seva.
Yeah.
Helping people without any expectation of return, and how that is important. In today's leadership also, there's a lot of management talk about service leadership, which in a way, servant leadership, which in a way is unexpected seva. What do you think leaders today are missing, or are they following this concept of service leadership or unexpected seva, and what should they do?
So I give an example of servant leadership. Best example is Hanuman. So हनुमान कौन है राम का? वो बोलता है सेवक है.
सेवक है.
राम का नौकर तो नहीं है ना उसका?
नहीं.
क्योंकि पगार नहीं मिला, बता भी नहीं मिला. More than sevak is bhakt, and more than bhakt is sevak. And that sevak better than Ram. He solved all his problems. So Hanuman bano. There is, in my native place, wherever I do, there is a service, spirit of service. In Yash paper, we convert the teams of Ram team, Lakshman team, Sugriv team, and Hanuman team.
Okay.
So people, they self-decide, they become self-management teams along with Suresh Pandit, great management teacher. So we made self-management teams so that it becomes a really service. Then in my native place, there is Sita Rama Seva Sadan.
Okay.
Sitama is my mother, Ramanna is our father. We are 3 brothers and 2 sisters.
Right.
And these parents are fantastic people. Our mother gave us great love. Our father gave us great confidence. So, Sitarama Seva Sadan, in their name, it is working in my native place. But wherever I am there, Seva goes on. And Sitarama Seva Sadan for last 20 years, it is serving elders who are beyond 65, who has no support. Daily food, evening, tiffin, everything is given to them.
Oh, wow.
20 people. And then there is a education program teaching the computer for the youngsters, 20 rupees fees. And there is a skill training development. And there is water. When water scarce, what is it? Cremation. Cremation is a big problem. So wood is not available. So we arrange from the forest, from the department, we procure at cost 1,000 rupees, less than what is the actual cost, no
Right.
profit. That is service going on, food program, water program, computer training program, skill development program, ambulance is going on, and this is done by self-management teams. Sitarama Seva Sadan, the GOD is working there, Group Organization Direction. Mr. Lakshman Rao, Hari Babu, President, Lakshman Rao, past President, and Srinivas, Vice President, Ganapati, and Harisar, and Prahlad. Harisar is the secretary and my caretaker. He takes care of me. He's
Wow.
elder to all that, and he takes care of the finance. All these will, without my intervention, they manage. I am not member of the trust. I am
Okay.
not a trustee member. I am not trustee. They are the runs. They run, they carry funds, and those people who may help, they may contribute. This seva is going on like anything. And whenever, during this COVID problem, we have arranged a camp, we have arranged the medicines, we have arranged the people. This food program in the stuff curfew continued. So spirit of seva, of self-contribution, is more spiritedly done. Even then, lockout is there, food reached in time.
Where exactly is this?
It is in my native place,
What is the name of the place, sir?
Manthani. Manthani
Okay.
is a great village on a river Godavari. I told you where I went.
Correct.
So Manthani, Karimnagar, and it's a fantastic. All people of Manthani help us. They contribute. Some of them gave us land. Some of them gave us support. Mr. Prabhakar Reddy and Ramanatham family, they gave us, and we built this.
Is there a website, or is there a way that if someone wants to contribute, how can they approach the institute?
No, I will use the email address. We have
Yes,
not,
please do.
we are not campaigning for collection because.
Yeah, but if someone
But even
still
then, I
willingly
will send
wants
you
to,
I will send you the name. There is a,
yeah,
you press the Sitarama Seva Sadan, it will come.
okay,
And this servant leadership is there. And our trustees, our members, they work. We don't have any architect. One of them is engineer. We don't have any, only we employ only cooks, accountants. Our people does it. Work, they do it without charging anything. If they take tea or food in the southern, they will pay for that.
Achha, okay,
Even if I eat, I have to pay.
okay,
Acha, now big empowerment comes. My signature nahi chalega. If I sign, I won't get 1 paisa. They can sign up to any lakhs. But my word chalta hai. Word
Right.
chalta hai.
Right.
So the spirit of seva inspires them, and whole village supports us. Then one of the convocation I told MBS, नौकरी मत करो. बोलता है अभी कैंपस इंटरव्यू हुआ, 10 lakhs 15 lakhs मिलता है. गुरुजी बोलता है नौकरी मत करो. हमारे नौकरी मत करो. And I told the professors also, आप लोग भी नौकरी मत करो. I told vice chancellor, sir, नौकरी छोड़ दो. क्या? Then एक आदमी पूछा, बाल बच्चे का क्या होगा? हम बोला पगार मिलेगा, नौकरी मत छोड़ो. Convert your नौकरी into सेवा, from work into contribution. Transform your work into contribution, into excellence, into seva. How to do that? Do more than what you are supposed to do. Do better than what you are supposed to do. If you do continuous improvement, you are doing seva only. The value of your salary should be more than the ratio of your salary. Don't work for pagar. Work for value. This is what I did. I am the poorest paid chairman. I have no shares in any of the company. The owners were working with me as MDs. I am chairman, they are MD. I am executive chairman, they are MDs. So they are also good. I was lucky to get such MDs because they were all value-oriented people. Excel originally is a great value-oriented company. Similarly, Laupala, every organization, including Nalanda School, where I was chairman, is a value-oriented service, Mayurbhai Patel, service-oriented, value-oriented. So,
when you talk about putting more than what is expected out of you, and considering seva when you're doing the job, I think some people also come with the orientation that doesn't that risk people misusing you and misusing your efforts.
What they will misuse?
Well, you are putting your 100%, maybe more than that, but in return, you're not expecting anything and you're not getting anything also.
No, it doesn't matter. that doesn't matter. There is one karma theory. If you do anything, that result will come to you, whether you like it or not.
True.
So वो तो आएगा. So don't look for it, it will come. If you look for it, it becomes greed.
Fair
Without
point.
looking, it comes.
That I agree.
Karma theory is, if you do work, phalam will come. Do good work, good phalam will come, whether you like it or not. So I got more than what I expected. Now all the companies take care of me. I am old man, retired, Excel. There is another beautiful company called Priceton by Helicon. This is my old age child. Now I got, and there was a little situation, I helped them. They are so wonderful that take care. And they all are value-oriented people. All my companies. Helicon is the latest. Helicon, Excel, Laupala, Nalanda School, Transpec Silox. They all came. So mail service. So how to make, first of all, let me tell you 4 attitude and 4 values. This is what I do and I teach.
Okay.
One is positive. Be positive. See how things can be done. See, don't worry why things will not occur. Don't be doubtless. Doubtful no, sandeham no, samshayatma vinashyati. So positive. Think that you can. People will say, sir, I cannot do it. I cannot do it, then counsel him. I cannot do it. Then with leadership spirit, maybe I can. I may. I can. I will. I have done it. This process is possible. That you demonstrate. Never you show that you cannot do it. Many people ask questions. I will not say, I do not know. I will say, kal bolega. Abhi bol dega, nahi to kal bolega. In the meantime, you learn.
Right.
And improve. So first is positive. Kitna bhi positive rahega will not do. It has to be active. Positive, active. React, proact, process, act, and post. Positive is seeing things how it can be done, how it will occur. Active is reactive, proactive, process active, post active. Timely. I never missed one board meeting, 60 board meeting, 5 years I was chairman, never I was late. I'm never late for any meeting. Today also, I called her up 10 minutes before.
Correct.
मैं ready हूँ. Don't wait, people. When I go for mostly meetings, people are meeting शुरू नहीं होता है, लोग नहीं आता है. आप इतना जल्दी क्यों आया? मैं जरूर आऊंगा. मैं आए तो लोग आएगा.
Yeah.
So positive, active, timely, in time, on time, at time, each time, every time, all the time. This is what I do and I teach. Effective, result आना चाहिए. Positive, active, timely, effective leader. So positive is bhakti yoga, active is karma yoga, timely is jnana yoga, effective is dhyana yoga. IQ, EQ, OQ सब आ गया.
Correct.
Gita in action.
I was listening to one of your talks in which you were sharing about wisdom from Panchatantra, and in that you shared that one of the key role of the leader, since you're talking about leaders now, that the key role of the leader, apart from protecting others and generating wealth and working with others, the most important is continuous improvement.
Correct.
Right. So how, can you expand on the importance of continuous improvement and what, people who have been in business for a long time now, who feel that अब मैं थोड़ा क्या बोलते हैं, business set हो गया है, my age is also more, so what is the need for developing or training myself? So can you expand on that a little bit?
One of the bank general manager asked me, sir, what is my capacity? How much I can do it? I told, no, that there is no limit. Any limit, any goal is not real. Improvement is real. Continuously improve yourself. Improve and prove. Do better than last hour. Do better than yesterday. Do better than this. Then limit is not there. This story I tell, which my teacher taught me.
Okay.
उसको पूछा, Guru asked his Shishya, can you lift this book? He said, yes, I lift. Can you lift this bucket? Yeah, I lift. Can you lift this buffalo? No, sir, I cannot lift buffalo. You cannot lift buffalo? No. Then he brought a calf. 10 days old calf. उसको उठाएगा? उठाया. Daily lift it three times. In the morning, 3 times now, daily. So he started calf. 1 year the calf has become young. Still he is lifting. It has become buffalo. So calf is improving. He is improving. So continuous practice. So Ekalavya's betterment, then Arjuna, practice. Perseverance. Precision. Perfection. Arjuna also did the same thing. Arjuna, attempt means practice. Perseverance. Attention. attitude, attitude, attitude. छोड़ने का नहीं. And aim, 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 goal, and achievement, achievement, achievement. Same thing, Arjuna and Ekalavya
Eklavya.
are similar, but Ekalavya did it in team, in GOD, with 10 other Adivasis. And Arjuna did alone. Therefore, Arjuna was excellent, but Ekalavya was super excellent because he did in the team. This is the work attitude. Then I will tell you values. 4 values only required, no other values. You tell any value. Bolo ek value bolo. Koi bhi.
Honesty.
Honesty. Very good. So, honesty is one value. Dusra bolo.
I have freedom.
Honesty
Independence.
means under truth, no?
Truth,
Truth
yes.
is being truthful to yourself and
Correct.
to others is honesty. Bolo.
Next
Next value.
Next is freedom, independence, autonomy.
Autonomy. That is.
मुझे जो करना है वो मैं कर सकूं.
No, that is a responsibility. A responsible person is honest.
True.
A responsible person will do it. So,
True.
4 values are, there are 4 worlds. One is physical world. One is mind world. One is thought world. Another spiritual world.
Okay.
So, first, physical world, if you want to succeed, any results, any action, physical world action, time is the key.
Okay.
Be in time, on time, at time, each time, every time for doing any job. Then your
Right.
efficiency, everything will become all right.
Correct.
If you have completed physical time, you will find the better methods. So time is preactive, proactive, process active,
Process
post
active.
active.
Right.
And second is mind, love. Love everybody. Love your assistant, love your thing, love your job. Love is what? I love you is not love. Going on a scooter together 15 kilometers from city is not love. In the car also it is not love. Love is accepting people as they are and then assisting them to become better, not helping, assisting, supporting, encouraging, improving them better. That's what your parents did.
True.
When I was born, I was very ugly. Very ugly. We all think black. My mother said, "Kitna sundar hai." बंदर को सुंदर बोलता है and उसको सुंदर बनाता है. Not only at that time, but afterwards improved. So love is accept your people and assist them, encourage them, support them, inspire them to become better. So time is the first value, love is the second value. Truth is the third value. Go by truth. Satyam Brahma. Satyam mein raho. Truth is honesty. You told that first value. If you are truthful, you have no problem. एक बार झूठ बोलेगा तो 100 बार झूठ बोलना पड़ेगा बाद में.
याद रखना पड़ेगा सब.
So याद रखना पड़ेगा और उसको करेक्ट करने के लिए और झूठ बोलना पड़ेगा. ट्रूथ बोलेगा तो डर नहीं. अभयम सत्य संशुद्धि. So time, love, truth, and fourth is responsibility. Be responsible to not only yourself, to your colleagues, your parents, everybody. Time, love, truth, responsibility. This is what I taught in Adarsh Ahmedabad, Bharat Bhai. He became master, who apparently appear ordinary sevaks, volunteers, became masters through this. Time, love, truth, responsibility. When you are responsible, you are in time. When you are responsible, you love. When you are responsible, you will be truthful. So responsibility is the highest value. So become a responsible. Paramatma is responsible for all of us. Responsibility being level. The work is work is at acting level. Relation is at feeling level. Result is acting level. Relation feeling level. Reality thinking level. So it is doing, acting, feeling, thinking. And at Paramatma only being, no doing. No doing, no feeling, no thought. Only being at spirit level. How to be at spirit level? Be responsible. Be responsible for your department, responsible for your company, responsible internet, responsibility for your state, responsible for country, responsible for India, responsible for whole world. When you are responsible for your team, you are a team leader. When you are responsible for company, you are a great company leader, corporate leader. When you are responsible for country, you are a Jati Pita. When you are responsible to humanity, you are Krishna.
Very interesting. I have a couple of last questions, if you will allow me. So there are a lot of people who say that they don't have time. They're too busy for self-development and
Very
improvement. So what do you say to them, and what are maybe 2 or 3 tips that you can give them so that they can start off on the journey?
Never say time is not. If you are there, there is time. You are not there, there you blame the time. Never say there is no time. If you are there, there is time. This is written in my book also. So time nahi hai nahi. Time hai. Tum raho. Be proactive. Be proactive. Why time is not there? Because we spend the time.
Correct.
Don't spend. Invest time. We pass the time.
Correct.
Don't pass the time. Hold the time. By doing work. Now. Now is the reality. Now only do it. Don't do it. Baad mein karega is unreality. Now. Whatever do now. So one is the principle of now. Another is pending is ending. Never postpone anything. And don't waste time. Invest time. Save time. Generate time. Generate time by doing efficiently things. 4 घंटे का काम 3 घंटे में करो यार. और 3 घंटे का काम 5 घंटे में मत करो.
Correct. Be productive rather than be busy.
Be productive and be proficiently productive. And while doing it, improve the job. I have all the time. Anybody rings up, I told you yes. I'm like, kabhi, jab bole tabhi.
Yes.
Okay, if somebody, people ask me, आपको मिलने का है? I'm like, come, very good. कभी मिलने का? अभी. अभी आओ. क्योंकि I am here now and you are there. बाद में मैं रहेगा, तुम नहीं रहेगा, मालूम नहीं. So अभी is a very good idea. Abhi is now.
Beautiful.
So, my people, acha, for those time management, make a simple checklist every day and complete what you want to do and complete the job. Don't keep the list pending for tomorrow. Tomorrow, acha, you think time is only 8 hours? How much time you have? In factory, 8 hours?
Yeah.
No, you have 24 hours.
8 hours तो shift है.
रात को सोने की क्या जरूरत है?
Right.
जब रात को काम करेगा तो वो नींद will pick you up. It will generally find out how you will sleep while traveling.
True.
I have written 600 books. How I have written? How I found the time? 600 book कोई पागल लिख सकता है क्या? लिखा कैसा? I never wrote into my working time. My writing and working has no relation. I wrote on Sundays. I wrote on evenings. I wrote all while traveling. I wrote in a bus. That's why. So generate time. You can generate time. And don't waste time. Generate time. Spend time. Time has 3 aspects.
Okay.
One is Kala, death. finally it will catch you up like that. Samaya means love. The present moment is Samaya. The end time is Kala. The beginning time is Veda, Shubha Veda. When you are born, it is Veda. So beginning, start, involve, and complete. So all the time maintain. Acha. If you are in present moment, you will cover the past, present, and future. Acha. People say past, best time management idea. Past has gone. Log bolta hai, past to chala gaya, don't worry about it. Future is not born, don't worry about it. Why? Past किधर जाएगा? है. Future किधर जाएगा? आने वाला है. So, what is to be done? How to manage past? Now. How to manage future? Now. How to manage now? Now. How to manage past? Learn and record. If you learn and record continuous basis, last 10 years ka learning is with you. Now it is all available, videos, tapes and everything. So learn and record in the past. Work and contribute now. Prepare and equip now. The future has become bright now. The present has become real now. And past has become gold. Golden past. Now only. Learn and record. Work and contribute. Prepare and equip. Acha, ye physical hua. It's only one field. Then there is a mind field. Relations. Past. Forgive and forget. हो गया तो unloaded हो गया. Forgive your enemy. Forgive that man who stabbed you. I have forgiven all my. I have no enemies. Forgive. Forgive करेगा तो वो आपको बहुत प्यार करेगा. Mind में forgive करो and forget. If you forgive, you can give. If you forget, you can get from him. If you do not forget, you don't take from him. तुम्हारा चाय नहीं पीऊंगा मैं, तुम गाली दिया. Forget लेगा, चाय देगा और लेगा. Forgive and forget, give and get, intend and extend for future. So become past has become golden because you have forgiven and forgotten. Future has become bright because your intention and extension. In the present, give and get. Acha, in thought field. In thought field also, analyze and evaluate.
Correct.
Think and improve. Now.
Correct.
Energy evaluates past.
Past.
And plan and visualize for future.
Future.
So
right.
Future become bright. Vision statement, mission statement, plan statement, सब आ गया.
Correct.
So vision करो. And there is only one dimension in the spiritual field. There are three here. Past, present, future, physical, emotional, 3 in 3, 9. Correct. Spiritual field, only one. Be responsible. Be responsible is the highest value. Being responsible is the highest value. I kind of agree with that. Last question to you, Guruji. Apart from Gita, any 3 books that you would recommend that everyone, irrespective of age or position they are in, that they should read? Yeah, very good. There is one book called Siddhartha. Yes. Herman Hesse. Right. Read that. Okay. And there is one bird book. Jonathan Seagull. That Bado. It's a beautiful book. You know what is the meaning of Jonathan Livingston Seagull? Jonathan. Yes. Livingston Seagull. Correct. Jnana Jivi Paramahamsa. Jonathan Jnana. Correct. Livingston Jivi. Correct. Seagull Paramahamsa. Correct. So Jnana Jivi Paramahamsa karo. So I recommend Jonathan Livingston Seagull, Siddhartha, Bhagavad Gita, and one more book I will say you must read is Jai Somanath. Munshi, K.
Okay.
Munshi. When Ghazni came to Somnath, how our people have faced it. Jai Somnath. Paro.
Perfect.
Jai Somnath, I read it on exam day.
Acha.
Tomorrow is exam. The book came to me, I read it. And I got 100 marks still.
Wonderful. Was it maths?
Maths.
Maths.
That's why I'm going to.
All right, great. So thank you very much for that, Guruji.
Eddie, I have one question. First part, when you said that there is, when the Gita was given to you, Srimad Bhagavad Gita was given to you, you have never met your Guru, but you have always found him as your Guru. And then you said that you don't need a physical Guru to grow or to learn. There are a lot of things. A book can be a guru, or can you express 2 or 3 lines here? Because when we're talking about self-improvement, or when we're talking about learning, we are always looking for one mentor, one person who will help me.
And that guru could be dedicated. Tadvidhi pranipatena pariprasthena sevaya. Be dedicated to him, encounter with him and do it. But I could not find that guru at that time. People thought he was alive, actually. Then we wrote a letter, I met him. He read my Gita. He appreciated. He gave me, my Guru Seva was what 2 days, 48 hours I was with him. And when he was giving Yoga Vasishtha, he became ill. So I completed that lecture. So, Guru physically nahi to bhi, Krishna can be your Guru. But have that Guru Bhakti. Find out a physical Guru also. Uska pav touch karo yaar. Guru Bhakti is required and
मतलब सीखने के लिए गुरु बहुत जरूरी है, लेकिन अगर फिजिकल नहीं है तो कोई भी हमारा गुरु बन सकता है. अगर सीखने की इच्छा है तो.
He gives knowledge, he gives love also. So make your boss your Guru. Make your mother your Guru. Make your friend your Guru, like Krishna, Arjuna. So find out a Guru. And क्योंकि गुरु को किया तो तुम्हारा ego from time to time goes down, no? You bend, so ego निकल जाता है. अच्छा, फोटो को गुरु बना के bend करो. I have shown you my Guru's photo.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you, Guru.
So once again, thank you very much for that, Guru. Thank you for agreeing to sit down with us and have this interview. I think it's an auspicious beginning for NLC also, that the first interview that we are conducting is of someone like you. So for that, I wanted to thank you.
One more thing, lifelong.
Yes.
There is end for teaching, there is no end for learning.
Correct.
Teaching is limited, learning is unlimited. Learning is self-learning. Swadhyaya is unlimited. As an end for teaching, no end for learning.